Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the radar and our very light, annoying snowfall moving away now. I would argue it was on the lower end of expectation. The changeover was a few hours late. That's the problem. Regardless, some slick spots from southeast PA into Jersey, most of Connecticut, Rhode Island, and even southeast Mass with this stuff moving through. And I say slick spots even if there's no actual snow on the ground because there is going to be a refreeze this afternoon. So let me show you these temperatures. Here's what we got as of now. The model is actually too warm in southeast PA. We have areas 30 to 33, and we got 34 on the map. So just keep that in mind. These tests might be a little too warm. But notice by 4 p.m., it's 30 in southeast PA. It's 32 in New York. It's 28 in Boston. And by the time the sun sets by 7 o'clock, 25 Philly, 26 New York, 24 in Boston. Okay, so everything is going to freeze up. Any lingering standing water, moisture anywhere will freeze up this afternoon. Now, at the same time, we do have a decent breeze out of the northwest here this afternoon. We'll call it 8 to 16, couple gusts towards 20. So it's not going to eliminate all of it, but it will help dry up some of these areas that are just a lightly wet here early this afternoon. So not a big deal, but again, anything that is not frozen will freeze once the sun goes down. Okay, so once this gets out of here, it sets us up for a cold but dry Friday. However, if you're interested in this type of stuff, northeast wind, light accumulating ocean snow on Cape Cod. So if you're interested in seeing some cool weather phenomenon, I encourage you to look at Cape Cod because it could be an inch or two of snow here during the day on Friday. So other than that, though, it's a pretty boring day. No real major issues at all. As we get into Friday night, though, we've been talking about this coastal storm for what feels like a few days, and it is going to stay to our south. However, that northeast flow we talked about for Friday is going to continue Friday night and enhance a little bit of cloud cover and even a little bit of light snow on Saturday morning in eastern Mass. I can't rule it out on the North Shore, but a better chance exists on the South Shore. Why is that? Well, let's take a look at the wind direction. I think this is really fascinating. So lake effect snow, the longer the fetch, meaning the longer the wind direction goes over the warm body of water, the better likelihood there's enough moisture and lift to create a couple snowflakes, right? So look at this. On the North Shore, you're getting flow coming in almost from Portland. So it's going to be tough to get a good fetch, right? But look at Cape Cod. You're getting air from Bar Harbor coming right on in. That's the difference. So when you look at the actual radar around this time, you see it's not snowing on the North Shore. It's on the South Shore where you get the bigger fetch. So again, a coating to an inch or two of snow Friday night, and Saturday morning in southeast Mass. But for the rest of us, this coastal storm is nothing for us. Nothing. You could argue maybe a few flurries along the South Jersey Shore or the Delmarva, but even that is pushing it, I think. So Saturday right now looks dry, no issues. And as we head into the middle of the weekend, let me show you the European. Notice the European does try to get a couple flurries to the Jersey Shore. Not a big deal. But you see that onshore flow Saturday is still there with the flurries and snow showers in eastern Mass. Saturday's dry. Sunday starts dry, ends a couple flurries interior. Not a big deal. Sunday night, dry. Monday, dry. The next legitimate chance for anything comes Tuesday. And it's a weak system. You see there, remember we talk about the low pressure strength. If it's below 990, it's a strong system. This thing's 1,003. It's not strong. And it's passing in the St. Lawrence River Valley. So that's going to actually bring up some warmer air for the day on Tuesday. This is the afternoon. Notice 40s along the coast, near freezing inland. So this is not going to be a big system, according to according to the European model. You look at the total snow here, you can see it's a couple inches possible in some of the northern parts of our viewing area. But the GFS is still more widespread Tuesday night, and then the Canadian, let me actually pull up the most recent run here. There it goes. You can see the Canadian's kind of in between. It's a couple inches favoring north and west. So again, Tuesday, something to watch. Not anything I'm getting too overly excited for, if I'm being honest with you. I don't think it's anything to write home about, but it is something we're going to have to watch. Beyond that, it's a cold end to the week with really no major storm systems on the map. So if you look at the total precipitation for next week, it looks like this. And yeah, That's not a lot. Monday through Friday. Depending on that Tuesday system, that's where a lot of this moisture up north comes from. So we'll watch it. Otherwise, the big story is the cold here. It's not bad today, but look at tomorrow. Much colder. Saturday and Sunday slowly warm up. And then early next week, we're locked in to a pretty cold pattern outside of Tuesday. Tuesday's the warmest day. And then we're right back in it for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Highs in the teens, 20s, and maybe lower 30s in far southern areas. So feeling like late January, no doubt. If you have questions, let us know. We'll be back tomorrow with another video.